What am I doing? I am taking in oxygen and I am bringing out carbon dioxide. Think about it. What is actually going on in your system? Like, what is going on in my body? How is this possible? How is this exchange possible? Even without me thinking about it. Well, Chere, let me break it down for you. The air goes into your nostrils. And there is this mucous membrane that filters the air that you take in. So that all the yama in the air will not go into your body. It also makes it moist and hitting the air. The air goes into your pharynx, which is the truth. It goes into the larynx, which is the voice box. It just keeps going down. From the larynx, it goes to the trachea. At the trachea, it branches out into two branches, which is the bronchi. Remember that whenever you think about breathing in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide, you already know that you're talking about the respiratory system, right? Good. And when you talk about the respiratory system, what comes to your mind? The lungs. This lungs looks like an inverted tree. Okay, let's keep going. So the bronchi, it branches into the right and the left bronchi, right? The bronchi have the primary layer, the secondary layer, and the tertiary layer. As it keeps going down to the secondary layer, it is now branching like more branches, which is called the bronchole. Okay? Then at that point, it gets to the tertiary. Then there is this thing that looks like grapes, formed grapes, which is called alveolar sac. These alveolar sacs, if you cut them, don't cut your own, but if you see, you cannot see inside. But inside it is something called alveoli. This alveoli have a very soft membrane, which makes exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide possible. This alveoli is surrounded with capillaries. Capillaries. In these capillaries, there is red blood cell. So the red blood cell carrying the carbon dioxide, which is very acidic, exchanges with the help of the alveoli with the oxygen that you just took in. When it exchanges, you breathe out. You breathe out the carbon dioxide, right? Then the oxygen goes into the blood, making the blood less acidic.